What's your thoughts? Your first drive home?
I told you, a guy in a 370Z gave me thumbs up, and that's when you know you made it in life.
Been a while out for the weekend. We must have been out by 3 friends. Nigga feel like go get in leaked in. ASAP niggas finna sneak in. Finger to the grilling. Me and my niggas feeling. You know we finna kill it. It's really. You don't really want that.
What's going on, ladies and gents? It's Boy Brad. We're doing a short little mini episode today because today's the day Sarge has officially purchased this 350Z from me today. Are you excited?
Pretty excited.
What's your plans?
This?
Yeah, what's your plans?
I'm gonna sell it as soon as I get to my house and try to make a couple bucks.
Wow.
I'm just kidding. I'm gonna drift with you guys.
Good. That's what we like to hear. He did good last year. He was learning. His first couple laps were definitely like an autocross, but he's learning, and that's the best part, right? Like, so we're gonna get this out of here today. He's gonna drive it home. It is street legal. It does have plates. So this will be out of here and making room for our new stuff that's happening. That's another day. Are you gonna make a little YouTube series for us? You gonna get a camera and let me upload it all?
Of what?
Of what you're gonna be doing. What are you gonna be doing to this thing?
First of all, you're buying me the rear wing and the front bumper like you said you were.
All right.
Right? That has to happen.
That is gonna happen.
Then I'm gonna wrap it.
You're gonna wrap it. What color?
White.
Yeah. And by the way, this ugly purple was here way before I got it, and clearly now him. So we do have another plenum. We're gonna replace that, and then we're gonna get a new racing strut bar because that's a terrible color. So other than that, I'm gonna put the camera down. We are going to get this thing rolled out of this tight little area, and we'll get some shots outside, and that's about it. So, by the way, I just want to let you know, Josh dropped a box on your car.
Where?
On the hood.
You're friggin' lying.
I swear.
I will.
I can't believe you dropped a box on Sarge's car.
I have no remorse.
You have no remorse?
No, none.
Dude, what happens if he was here?
I would tell him no remorse.
Friggin' shoot him. I already told him if he messes with his car, I was gonna get my K12 saw and I would cut his friggin' car in half. There better not be an inch up to
He
this.
dropped one of these boxes onto the car.
You're lying.
I swear, it's like right here, so you
Where?
can see the dust all moved over.
Little bastard. Is this his gay wing?
No, that's my,
Is that mine?
I think it's the S14 one.
No, I don't like that. Are these my
No.
carpets?
Yeah, or they're actually Josh's, but
Huh. Well. Hello, this has got boxes on it. Oh, my money back. Oh, there it is.
and then that's that plastic goofy louver thing we got. I don't know if I like it, but
That's gay.
yeah, I agree.
That's gay.
Okay. All right. Well, let me help him get this, and we will finish this up. Are you ready for this thing?
It's loud. Why is it so loud?
This is definitely the race car life. Seat buckles are going on.
I'm not putting them on.
Why not?
People seeing me with a full belt on.
Are you nervous? Oh. What's your thoughts? Your first drive home?
I told you, a guy in a 370Z gave me thumbs up, and that's when you know you made it in life. You fucking made it.
Oh, jeez. Was it a smooth ride home?
Actually, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's low as shit, and it pulls to the right. So you owe me brake pads.
No.
You owe me. You know you owe me a friggin' front clip, and you owe me a rear spoiler. You know this.
All right. All right. Let's
You
go.
need to
back.
order that tonight.
Yes.